What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you 3 false cuts that you could use to cheat at any card game. Let's do it. Now, breaking down the first cut, it's actually quite simple to do. I'll just flip the top card over just so it's easier for you guys to follow. You start off by holding the deck in a middle grip like this. You swing cut over the top half into the other hand. You take the bottom half, tap it against the top half like this. So you're turning the top half, tapping this bottom half against the top half, putting the bottom half down, and then putting the top half down. So now up to speed, the cut looks something like this. Now, getting into the second cut, it is a bit more difficult than the first cut we just did. So I'll just flip the top card over so it's a bit easier to follow. So you start off in the same grip as last time. You cut about 1/3 of the deck with your pointer finger. Now you take the pointer finger of your other hand and you're going to grip this top packet that's just been cut like this. You're going to grip it right here next to the thumb. And you're just going to swing it over. You know, not the regular swing here. You're going to kind of turn it around this pointer finger right here. Get back into position here. So you're here, and you're just going to rotate it right about this index finger. So boom, and we have this packet right here. Now we're going to break off about half of this remaining packet that we have. We're going to break that off. We're going to start putting it on top of here. It's going to be a regular swing cut. So you're going to take it like this, but instead of leaving it directly on top of this packet here, you're going to use this thumb to pretty much take this packet of cards and put it underneath this original top packet that we had, closing it like this. Right, so let me go through that one more time. So we're here, put that over like this, do another swing cut. And you're just going to do a regular swing cut here, like this. And I usually pinch this packet here between my thumb and this part of my hand. So it's like this, you pinch that over. I use my index finger here to push this packet forward. So the motion is looking like this. I'm pushing forward with this, pulling back with this, and it ends up being like that. Right? So one more time, here we go. Here, here, that's done. We're gonna take this packet that we have left, put it down, take this packet and put it down. So up to speed, we have the ace of spades right here. It's going to look like this. Now this third cut is actually one of my favorite table cuts to do. You start off by placing the deck on the table. You take about half the deck, put it right next to it. You take the other half, put it on top, except you're going to leave a bit of space here, so you're going to leave it out a bit like this. So you have a bit of space left right here. Then you're going to take almost the entire thing. You're going to leave some cards behind. You're going to take that, and now people are going to be thinking, oh, you left some cards behind. And now you're going to grip this bottom deck here. You can grip that out, put it on top of this again, and put that on top, maintaining that top card. Now what I love about this cut is that it doesn't make you seem like you're a pro. So if you want to maintain that low keyness while you're cheating at cards or something, or you just tell people, oh, I'm just a beginner magician, then it kind of seems like when you're doing this cut here, you get here, you lift up the cards, and now you left some cards behind by accident. So all you're doing is just coming back to pick these cards up. And that's what it looks like, and that's what really sells this false cut. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel. The link to that is in the description, along with all my social media pages for my status updates, photos, videos, and all that kind of good stuff. So all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Oh wow, you guys are still here. I need to start leaving some prizes or something, because why else would you stay here this long? But in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, because if you do, you are awesome. Thanks for watching.